Take a deep breath in and slowly let it go. Let your body settle. Let your shoulders drop. Let the noise of the day ahead wait just a little longer. This moment is just for you. Job searching can feel heavy. The waiting, the rejection, the unknown. But today, you're not starting from frustration. You're starting from intention. From purpose. From the quiet truth that you are not stuck. You are in motion. Breathe in focus. Breathe out self-doubt. You've made it this far for a reason. You've gained skills, experience, and strength that no algorithm or job title can define. Repeat silently or aloud. I am committed to my growth. I am worthy of meaningful work. I trust the process and my progress. Today, I will take inspired action. You don't need all the answers right now. You don't need to know exactly when it will happen. You just need to stay grounded in what you can control, your mindset, your energy, and your effort. Feel your breath guiding you back to clarity. This job search is not a test of your value. It's a bridge connecting who you've been to who you're becoming. Picture your ideal work environment. What does it look like? How do you feel when you walk through the door? Who are you when you're fully supported, seen, and empowered in your role? That version of you is already within you. And every resume, every follow-up, every conversation is getting you closer to that moment. Take another deep breath in and release the pressure to rush. Trust that what's meant for you won't miss you, especially when you're showing up for it. Today is not about doing everything. It's about doing one thing with focus and belief. Even the smallest step forward is progress. Repeat once more. I am ready. I am capable. I am becoming. The right job is already aligning with me. As you open your eyes and move into your day, carry this energy with you. Let it guide your actions, your tone, your decisions. You are not just searching. You are building something real. And you're doing it beautifully.